Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be some Happy Mail unboxing. Now, it didn't look like this when I received it. It had some clear wrapper and it had our info on it, so I did take it out. But she put some cute little sequins tucked in the wrapping paper. It was so cute. This is from my crafty friend Lou. Hi Lou, thank you so much. You guys, I'm gonna link her down below. Go check her out, give her a follow, tell her I sent you, and let's get into this box of goodies. I'm not gonna lie, you guys know I'm super impatient, and I did take a sneak peek, but I didn't go through anything. I just opened it up and looked, and she has it wrapped up super cute. There's pink crinkle. I love this like little fabric paper. Definitely saving that to possibly use this as packaging for some of my prizes. And look, you guys, isn't that so festive? So there's a cute little card. And you guys, I got super excited when I saw these because you guys already know that I hate making bows. You guys know this. And always send me bows because you guys are awesome and amazing. And she made me bows. Do you guys see this? How cute are these? I love these so much, and I might end up using these on some bag toppers that I'm going to be doing for my Jingle Lill series. So thank you so much. These are so pretty. She used Snow and Cocoa. I recognize that paper, and I don't recognize this one. But Lou, thank you so much. You are going to make my life so much easier when I'm creating my bag toppers because I'm totally using those. They're so adorable. She sent me a card. I love your handwriting. Look at that. She's got the cutest handwriting. So she sent me a little personal card. Not going to show you the other side, but look how cute. And it says thank you because I sent Lou some die cuts. And she was, of course, extremely appreciative. And girl, please, of course. And if you ever need any more, I'm here. You know that. I've already told you that. But look how cute, you guys. She said that she made me some goodies, and she sent this little baggie filled with sweets, which of course I'm sharing with my girls because you guys already know. And there's just a bunch of goodies. Look at these cute little hot cocoa little sticks. These are going to be so fun. And then there's like chocolates. There's a dark mint, like a dark chocolate with the mint. That's my favorite flavor. There's caramel, and then there's cacao, and which is like so crazy because like this would be like my daughter, my wife, and me. Perfect. And then this, what is this? This is a Hanukkah stick. Oh, this is like sweetener. And then she gave me a tea, a pumpkin spice. Like, she just hooked it up. And then, I don't know what this is. I think this is honey. Is this honey, Lou? I think it is. And then there's like another tea. This is super cool. I've never seen this. And then there's a candy cane for your hot cocoa. And 2 hot cocoa packets. I love this. You put this cute little bag together, and it's amazing. And I'm totally sharing with my girls. And we're going to have some nice warm drinks on you, Lill. Lill? Lou. I said Lill. I'm going to be having hot cocoa for sure with that cute little marshmallow stick. Looks amazing. Thank you so much, Lou. You're such a sweetie pie. So we have... Okay. Let me move this over here. And then, look, you guys. Isn't this the cutest? Look at her wrapping. So I'm gonna unwrap it. I'm gonna sit down because this is like a backbreaker when you're like trying to do this standing up. So I'm gonna open this up. I love this like gold. It's so festive. Look how cute little tag. She's got a cute little bird. It says Merry Christmas. Ooh, and I think she made some tags. I think she posted about these. She used the little die cuts that I sent her. Lou, I love those little gold balls. I saved each and every one that you guys send me. And this gold crinkle paper is so fun. I'm gonna put this all back in here. Because what I like to do is when you guys like send me stuff like this, I'll leave it like in a bag. And then if I need to send something out, I'll already have a bag filled with like crinkle paper and yummy goodness. And I just have to put in the little happy mail. So, look you guys. Is this not the cutest? So I had to stand up again because I just want you guys to really see it. But look, she sent me some tags. And look at this one, it says fa la la. So pretty. Look at this one. I love these, Lou. And these are like layered. So pretty. She used snow and cocoa. She mixed like a whole bunch of combination. And they look so pretty together. I love them. And then she has like to and from, so you can basically put them on gifts. See that? That is so smart. I love these. I'm gonna put them right back here. Oh, how did she have them? Did she have them like this? So cute. And then let's see in here. Let's get all this out right here. Love this little bag. I haven't made a what is this, like a loaded bag in such a long time. Look at this cute little tag, and she put like a little belly band. And then, oh my gosh, how adorable are these? Totally using these as well. So cute. It's like a little string of lights. I love these. These are so pretty, and I like how she did the little belly band. So cute. There's like a little Christmas card. It says most wonderful time of the year. She has like a little ribbon coming out from the top. So festive. Oh, and it's like a little, what? That is so cute. It's like a little ornament. It's like cut out. Oh, that's so cool. Super pretty. And then she's got some more little tags here. Is this like a little, yep, like a little pop-up. Look at that. How creative is that? And a little string. So she made me a bunch of gift tags that I can put on gifts. Look at this, you guys. These are so pretty. And look, she made me little note cards. These are super fun to add, like in your little like a little packages. You just throw them in. So they're always good to have. There's this one. I'm trying so hard not to hit my finger, you guys, because my finger is so bad and it hurts so much. Look at this one. It says hello snow. And then there's this one. How cute is that? And then look at this one. Isn't that cute, you guys? Like, she ended up using everything that she had asked me for, the little die cut pieces, just to make me a cute little package. That is so sweet of you, Lou. Thank you so much. Everything is adorable. I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to have some hot chocolate and share it with my girls. They are going to love that so much. I love this ribbon. This is so festive. I'm definitely going to probably use this for one of my packages, because I'm packaging up all my Jingle Lills and 12 Days of Christmas Cards series, all the little prizes. I've been doing like little festive ribbons, and I'm definitely going to use this. I like this. Definitely going to reuse the packaging and put some stuff in here. But I love everything, and you gave me such a good idea to create a loaded bag, because I haven't made these in a long time, and this is so cute. I love the colors you chose, the gift tags. This cute little Merry Christmas is a good idea, you guys. You see, you can get these little ornaments and just put them on anything, and it makes such a difference. I have quite a few of these in my stash, and I love to use them on embellishments or stuff like that. Super cute. I am obsessed with my bows. I cannot wait to play with them and put them on my bag toppers. So you guys definitely stay tuned for an episode on Jingle Lills making bag toppers. You guys know that that is like a staple in my series. I always have to make bag toppers. So that is coming really soon. enough jibber jabbering. I'm leaving now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. Don't forget to check out Lill down below. Lill, thank you so much, girl. And yeah, bye for now. Bye, guys.